Hello. We're back.
And I'm back.
Obviously. Yeah. We're going to the mailbox.
Yeah, the mailbox is like awesome.
No, because I'm supposed to get these 2 helicopters and they haven't came in yet, so I think they came in today. I'm gonna go check it out. If you haven't seen my house, that's down there, the one that you can see perfectly. Let's get, come on. Yeah. Oh, ice.
Holy.
I'm okay.
Me too.
Face cam.
Face cam. Oh, hi.
Oh my God, I tripped again. Oh my God. That's kind of ice, Cody. Do it again, do it again.
Yeah, it's too icy.
Or if you probably didn't see that because I barely did. He was running, jumped straight into there, but it's pretty much ice. Oh, if you didn't know, you know Biddle 77, the guy that makes the other videos? That's where he lives. He's on my street, right there.
Is he in there right now?
Yeah, he is. Just in case if you didn't know.
It's freezing.
Whoa!
Oh, it's so windy.
Oh, it's probably like 10 degrees right now with the wind.
Yeah.
Woo! That's cold.
It is cold. It's very cold.
The helicopter didn't come in. I'm mad.
Let's get all mad.
What?
Let's get all mad.
Stupid.
So that's the mailbox.
Oh, there's 2 keys missing too. Good. I'm sorry, you're not gonna be able to see my
Here, I'll
number.
take a video.
I don't want you to stalk my number, so.
Hello. Is the helicopter in that mailbox?
Better be. Wait, this one?
Or that one? We don't know.
Oh my God, there's a key in here.
There's a key!
Yeah!
Which one?
I don't know.
Yeah! We're gonna get a helicopter!
Possibly. It better be.
Dun dun dun! Wait, open it slowly. Cole, you hide behind the mailbox.
No, I got this. Frozen tray. Back away.
Back away. Wait, no. I got to video.
Wait, no, don't.
Wait. Yeah! The helicopter.
No, that isn't.
That's not the helicopter?
No. I don't think so.
Yeah, Amazon.com.
We didn't get it from Amazon. It's in the wrong thing! It's not even
I hate this! This isn't a helicopter. We're crying. That sucks.
Pieces. This is stupid.
It is.
It's a joke. Got me all happy. Actually.
Yeah, did you think it was it?
Yes!
What if you saw 2 keys? You would have known for sure.
Yeah. Oh, look! We got a next door neighbor, so maybe the next door neighbor has got ours.
Oh, maybe. You got your neighbors? That's your neighbors?
Yeah. I think. It says, yeah, it says Laverier.
Like your girlfriend?
What?
Dude, the key.
What about it? You leave it in there.
Okay. Cole, you almost forgot your mail. Can't forget that. See? We also got that. Yeah, we're disappointed right now.
Turn this stupid video off.
Okay. Rate and subscribe.